Somebody asked me, how do you record yourself and also show your phone screen at the same time on the camera? So this is what I'm going to show you guys on this particular video, exactly how to record yourself and also show your phone screen while recording yourself simultaneously. So this is what we are going to be getting into right now. In case you don't know how this works, or in case you don't know what I'm trying to talk about, watch this particular video before we get started. So if you want to upload your video, all you have to do is to head over to your browser like this. So when you head over to your browser, you just go to your browser like this. Then what you have to do is to type YouTube Studio. Just type YouTube Studio like this. So after you type YouTube Studio, you see this first option that comes up right here. You just click on it. Click on the YouTube Studio. So after clicking on the YouTube Studio, if you don't have your email account that you use on your YouTube already log in on your browser, so you will have to log in. You just have to sign up using that same email. So I believe you now understand what I meant by showing my phone screen on the camera, or what the person actually asked. So that was exactly what the person asked, and on this particular video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve this with ease. But before we dive in, if today's happen to be the first time you come across my channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you exactly how to do what you just watched on this particular video. So in order for you to achieve what you just watched, you are going to be needing two phones. Yes, like what I'm doing right now. One phone is recording this video. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy in recording this particular video. Meanwhile, I still have the second device right here, which I'm going to be using it to show you what I want to show you. So what you have to do is that on your second phone, you need to have what we call screen recorder. Yes, I know a lot of you know about screen recorder, but you people doesn't know how you can actually combine the two things together to achieve what you want to achieve. Okay, firstly, if your phone have screen recorder, for example here, this particular phone that I have right here on my hand, it has screen recorder of its own. So let's check it. You see, this particular phone has screen recorder. If I just draw down like this, let me show you this. If I check right here, this is the screen recorder on this particular phone. So this is how you can use it. But in case you don't have this screen recorder on your phone, all what you have to do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store to download screen recorder app. So after you might have downloaded this app, this is what you need to do. So for example, now number one thing that you need to do is you need to first set up your main camera, which is the one that is going to be recording you. So that's what you need to first set up. Like I'm talking about, like this phone that is currently recording me, that is your first camera. That one is recording me, and the second thing is the one that is going to be appearing on the screen. Let's say I'm making a video, I'm showing you this thing right now, the way I'm showing you, and it's appearing on the screen. So that is it. On your second phone, you need to pull it down like this. So when you pull this thing down, when you pull this thing down, when you just pull down your phone this thing like this, you now head over and click on the screen recording. You see, when clicking on the screen recording, or the one you have on your phone as a downloaded one, so after you might have done that, you now open it. Or let's say I want to open a YouTube like this. Let's say I go to YouTube. Oh, okay, I have not connected it to the internet. So as you can see, the way I'm operating this particular phone is actually showing on the screen. So this is the tricks that is involved. You are going to record this thing. So after setting up your camera like this, then you need to click on the recording to start recording at the same time. Meanwhile, your main camera is also recording you. Understand? For example now, okay, let's take it for instance, I am here right now, right? Then I click recording on this particular phone, and I also click recording. I turn on screen recording on this second device. So after turning on the recording on my second device, it's going to pick my voice. Like if I turn on the screen record on my second device, whatever I'm saying to this camera, this second phone that I turn on the screen recording is also going to pick the same thing. Understand? It's going to pick the same voice and at the same time. So this is what you need to do. After you might have finished recording everything, or you might have finished everything that you want to do on your video, that is when you now save the one you recorded on your phone. Like you now save the screen. Let's say this particular place. I will now pause the recording. So let me pause the recording right now. You see, this is my recording. The recording has been saved. So after this recording has been saved, what we will be needing now is to go to CapCut. Yes, that's the app that we are going to be using to achieve this particular result. You can use others videos editing software that you are familiar with, but for my own, I usually use CapCut in my editing. Note, you can also use InShot, you can use any other editing apps at all, as long as you can operate it very well. So what we are going to do now is, so let's head over to CapCut and edit the video. Let's put the two videos together. First, open your CapCut app like this. So after opening your CapCut app, now head over and click on create. After clicking on create, then go to your folder. Here is the video that we have on my phone. Then first pick your original video. This is my original video. This is a video that I want to use for this sample. I will first click on this particular video. I will add the original video which I recorded from my phone, not the screen recording. Let's see. So just like this, you see, that's where this particular one starts. Then the second part, or the second thing that we need to do now, is to now bring up our screen recording by clicking or by going to overlay. So click on the overlay, then click on add overlay. You see, add overlay. So after clicking on add overlay, that's where we now bring up our screen recording. So let's put our screen recording here. You see right here, this is the screen recording, and you can just use your hand to take it to anywhere you want to keep it on the screen. Now you can use your tool, and you can just use two of your fingers to stretch it, understand, to position it well. After that might have been done, the next thing that you need to do is to mash the video together. So the tricks involved here is that you need to start the main video on where the screen recording start, or you need to start the screen recording on where the main video start. For example, if I want to talk about a particular place on the main video, then let me play the main video. So just like this, you see this particular place starts on so just like this, meaning that on my screen recording, the place that says so just like this should be the first thing that I add. So let me play the screen recording. Let's trace that particular place that says so just like this. You see, so just like this, on your second, so just like this. Let's listen to it again. So just like this, on your second, so just like this. Hold it down like. We want to pick that particular place that says so. Let's check the time. I think it's around here, so let me cut it and see. Let me split it. So when you click on it like this, you just head over and click on split. So after clicking on split,
Now select this other part and delete it. Let's select this part and delete it. Then let's play it. It doesn't start well, so I will need to bring it back a little bit. Let me cut it again, split and delete. You see, it starts at the same place, but let's see. What I have to do is to select the screen recording like this, then I will drag it to the beginning of the video, of the main video. You see, this is the beginning of the main video. Now let's play it again. So just like this, on your second phone, you need to. You see, that's just the tricks on how to put up the two things together. But for the purpose of this video, because I don't want this particular video to be very long, I'm going to skip some part. But when placing your video, you need to make sure that it match the same place, like the voice really match very well. It's just the timing. You cut it at the exact place, then you add it. So you just need to be adjusting it like this. So let's say this is okay. So just like this. I know this is not really perfect, but I don't want the video to be long, like I said. That's just how to do it. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next one. Bye.